What's up? Good morning.
I said this off the top, this off the block. Pull up bumping subs in the parking lot. I'm about to drop, spark the spliff and sip the cup. This nonchalant, this is nonchalant.
This penicillin for your mental. The water getting wavy, I just hope that we can swim through. Swim good, they got them on this ill wave. Saying legends never die, but this music probably gon' kill me. I've been bumping solo, riding shotgun, pistol in my pocket. Pray to God that I don't pop one. This pencil play proper, the verbiage popping up. Don't get it twisted, dog. This ain't an opera. He Rasheed Wallace in the paint, though. Skittles how we spit the rainbow. Skeptics say he dropped it, but often proceed with caution. No Dwayne Bolt. These other rappers not up on the same boat. The way I'm chopping syllables similar to Usain Bolt. I'm quick with it. Silver linings never dim with it. Dipping out your section, caressing whoever thick with it. Scribble up some lines until I'm bumping the speaker. Speaking the ether, me and music, nothing coming between us. I said this off the top, this off the block. Pull up bumping subs in the parking lot. I'm about to drop, spark the split and sip the cup. This nonchalant, this is nonchalant. I said this off the top, this off the block. Pull up bumping subs in the parking lot. I'm about to drop, spark the split and sip the cup. This nonchalant, this is kicks and then run it. Product of assumption, pockets getting hungry, penny pinching on a budget. I've been running down this paved road, trying to reach the summit, about to summon up some love. Prescription fixes, never fixing the itches. Lazy brothers never doing the dishes. These perfect people think they free from a bliss.
Those are my babies. Get them out. Look at this one. She knows she did something bad. She did. Oh, what? What? Why you all up on somebody like that?
Put your drinks up, Sprite wine. I had 99 problems, now I got none. What's up, baby? Come in, get the shotgun. Trying to party all night till the cops come. Put your drinks up, Sprite wine. I had 99 problems, now I got none. What's up, baby? Come in, get the shotgun. Trying to party all night till the cops come. Kush smoke in the air I blow. California got the best weed, yeah I know. See everything goes together when you high and blown. Flying above the clouds in the no-fly zone. Faded off of OG Kush, I love Mary Jane. I'm dumb slow, but I'm rolling in the fast lane. Got everything on the top of my food chain. I'ma smoke forever, can't complain if you can't hang.
Yeah, man, this is a little ranky-dink ass post office, though. Following me again. He's following me. Little stalker. Good morning, people. It's about 5:30. Left out late. Good boy, no voice box. Good boy, voice box. Good boy. Here's your good boy. Come here. Here's your good boy. Yeah, he's angry. That's the big daddy. It's my baby boy. Who's this little chicken? This one. Look, there you go. There you go, y'all. This Ranger. Yo! I'm on my way to my cousin's house.
That's how you feel, it is what it is. You got something on your chest, boy, say what you feel. I guess whenever you see me, it is what it is. It is what it is, I ain't tripping. That's how you feel, it is what it is. You got something on your chest, boy, say what you feel. I guess whenever you see me, it is what it is.
Little weirdo. So just checked on the homies, dogs, dog and cat. Hey! Nigga's fucking cat. He's running across the street. Look at him running. That's running. God. Motherfucker. Look at that motherfucker. Hey, don't be watching me, bitch. This motherfucker.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.